News making the headlines. Man gunned down in Clarendon was accused of sex with a minor. Mother, daughter found burned to death in St. Anne home. Kingston baker shot dead at home on Sunday. Now for the details. A 41-year-old man who was accused of having sex with a minor was fatally shot while at his house in Raymond's district, Hayes in Clarendon, Saturday night. According to a police source, Sion Juba Copeland had just arrived home and went to the back of his house to fetch water when neighbors heard what they believed to be gunshots. The police were summoned, and upon arrival, Copeland was found on his back in a pool of blood with gunshot wounds to his head and upper body. The incident occurred about 10:45 p.m. It is alleged that his sexual activity with the child began last October. Investigations into his death are ongoing. A mother believed to be in her mid-20s and her daughter believed to be under 10 years old were found burned to death in her house in Cardiff Hall, Runaway Bay, St. Anne, Sunday afternoon. According to the police, the incident took place sometime after 12 p.m. However, the names are being withheld as relatives are yet to be properly informed. The police are probing the death of a Kingston baker at his home on Sunday morning. The deceased has been identified as 43-year-old Horatio Sales of Lincoln Road, Kingston 5. It was reported that around 5:50 a.m., residents of the same address were inside their various homes when they heard loud explosions sounding like gunshots and summoned the police. Upon arrival, lawmen found the now deceased suffering from what appeared to be gunshot wounds to the face and upper body. He was taken to the Kingston Public Hospital, where doctors pronounced him dead.